Hi everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Mo. But yeah, we're headed to go do a few errands, which like I said, my to-do list consists of going to vote again and hanging the television. I don't know if I showed it in the last vlog, but hanging the television for down here, and then going to American Signature to pick up a piece of art that I ordered for the living room area. But other than that, that's about it for the day. It's freezing outside, and yeah, I'm gonna take y'all along with me. But yeah, just got a hat on today. It's freezing outside. So, yep, just waiting on babe to come. My earrings are in the car. It's a nice piece too. I think it's a black and white picture. I can't even remember. It's been a few weeks. Oh, but I did get the email from the furniture people. Everything's being shipped, so it'll probably take, I think they said, about another 2 to 3 weeks for it to get to me. So, you know, you all know everything's taking about 12 weeks to get to me, and I'm sure others. I saw some girl, it took her 6 months to get her furniture. So I guess I'm doing good to even see mine coming. But yeah, I'll be back when we get to the store. Yes, I still have this hair in. I'm gonna take it out probably in a few days, or tonight maybe. Tomorrow's Friday. Yeah, so maybe I'll take it out tonight. Just wash it real good and condition my hair. I'm sick of it. Hair is all over the place. Yep, we are getting some gas right. But yeah, anyway, we're here to pick up our piece of artwork. Y'all, it is freezing outside. Freezing, freezing. Oh gosh. Yep, it is freezing out here. Plant.
Here you go. I'll be right out with your stuff.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.
I am in that kind of like World Market. They have a little bit of everything in here. Just randoms, the most random items that you're looking for. Do y'all remember the Pez candy? I'll be eating for days. They even have this type of stuff. And they have toiletries. We did, guys. She is hung up. Samsung frame 55-inch. Once we get a stand or whatever for over here in these areas, we'll sit that box, because that's the actual one connect that comes with it that helps the television run. Y'all, this piece is glass. Isn't that beautiful? There's got that cinnamon broom too earlier when we went out. I did everything, but you know what? I didn't go vote. I did not feel like standing in that line, so I'll have to do it tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna put myself down there when I go vote. Yeah, guys, I didn't get to go vote. The line is ridiculous, and my time is valuable, so I'll go tomorrow. I might do it in the morning. Early in the morning. What do y'all think? On this side or over here? What do y'all think? This looks so good in here. It looks small on camera, but it's big.